Hey all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how you can go about easily cleaning up your computer. And one of the easiest way to do this is by going through your downloads folder. Your downloads folder usually is something you probably on a regular basis do not clean up, and it just becomes a repository and it just fills up, and there's probably a lot of stuff either you don't need from it or you want to move it out of the downloads folder and put it either in documents or pictures or video or music. So let me show you how you can go about going about cleaning up your downloads folder on the Mac. So we're going to go ahead and go to our Finder, which is a little smiley face. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to flip it to this list view. Then we're going to go to Downloads. And then from here, what I'm going to do is we are going to go, and we should, yep, there it goes. So we're going to shrink this down a little bit. Nope, not that much. I don't need that big. There we go. So the thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sort it by kind. Now you can either go into list view and hit kind if you want. The other option is you can go up here and sort it, and it will group it by kind. Sometimes I like to do it this way, do it in the group mode, but a lot of times I find it to be do it in the list mode is a little faster, because then I can just go literally like zip archive. So there's stuff like I can be like, okay, I don't think I need all this stuff, and it's just stuff you build over the years. So you could literally just go here and hit delete, and then you can look for like this stuff like web. Now these are images, but again, it's like stuff we don't need. So we can just literally go here, and should be, yeah. Cool. And then the biggest one a lot of people forget about is just programs. Stuff you download on your computer to install on your Mac. And now with the new version of Mac, it kind of has a thing that will automatically, once you install it, it will remove the actual download to the trash, which is really nice. But sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes you can just build up those installation files over the years. So you can just kind of go through here, and I'm going to look for Excel documents. And as you can see, I have a lot in my downloads folder, and it's just probably stuff I don't need. But I can also go to the DMG stuff, which should, oh, maybe we don't have any. But you can always look for a file extension called DMG, and those are usually your applications, and they're the ones with the little box looking thing, icon. But again, you can go, this is a really easy way to go through, and you can always look for duplicates and say, okay, well, I don't need, like for example, this is probably a duplicate. I don't need two versions of this, so I can delete one of these. And look for the ones where they have the little one next to it, because that's usually indicating it's a duplicate. You've downloaded multiple times and you don't need multiple versions of it. Here's another one. Again, just duplicates. Now this is a little bit different because they are, nope, they are duplicates. So that is how you can go about easily going through your downloads folder, cleaning it up, and that will help speed up your Mac, make your at least accessing files a lot easier, and then just make sure you move anything that you do want to save out of your downloads folder into those appropriate folders, either in documents, desktop, pictures, or music. Those are your primary folders. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel and want to support it, feel free to subscribe. We finally hit 200 subscribers, which is awesome, so I want to continue to grow that. And then also just click that little bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.